Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a WellToBe A36 automatic cat, dog, pet feeder, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a hard reset on it for two different reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If the WellToBe won't turn on, or if it won't dispense food, or if it's not connecting or not listening to the protocol that you put in for it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Another thing is if you get a new pet or something and you just want to start fresh with all of the timing and all the configurations and everything like that, we can just go ahead and do a hard reset and it will restore the factory default settings. And if you want to do that, it's very easy. All you need to do is open the lid on the feeder, and if you come down here, it's a little bit hard to see, but it actually says right here reset, and next to that reset there is a button. Now you might be able to do it with your finger depending on how small your finger is. Otherwise you need like a pen or a paper clip or something like that, and just push it in there and hold it for a couple seconds, and that will restore everything to the factory default settings.